Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install brake disc shields. I want to show you the part numbers. These are made by Febi and the part number for the right hand side is 176765. The left one is 176764. Now these part numbers are going to be put in the description just for your reference. I'm not making any money on these parts. It's not a referral link. It's just going to give you the part number so you can search for it online. Now, you could probably chance it and try and install it with the brake disc in place. It means you're going to probably hurt your fingers and it's going to be a mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the brake caliper. This is a MOT failure, by the way, and it's the case with this car. So this is why we're going to be removing the calipers. I'm going to remove the disc and we're going to install these shields so I can properly film it and show you exactly the whole process from start to finish. Okay, so in order to remove a brake caliper on a BMW F10 and F11, you got these massive calipers and carriers. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can remove these bolts, just remove the caps. There is a bolt and then you can loosen it, or you can just remove the whole caliper carrier by removing these bolts here and this one here. Okay, so in my case I'm going to remove the whole carrier with the caliper and the brake pads. It's a 18mm bolt. I'm going to use bungee cord in order to suspend the caliper because it's quite heavy and I don't want it to hang on the brake hoses. So we'll hang that on the top there, the spring either or the top arm, and then we're going to install the heat shield. I'm going to install stainless steel bolts. I don't want these to corrode. It's as simple as that. So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do like it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and I'll see you in the next one.